Every single day, founders and investors grind through piles of leads, cold outreach, endless meetings, hoping to spot that one deal that will change everything. But it's bloody exhausting. You know the feeling, the burnout, the frustration of sifting through noise while the clock ticks and money slips through. You're drowning in spreadsheets, scrape together intel, hoping a gut feeling hits. Meanwhile, some deals you miss because you just can't be everywhere, talk to everyone, or run infinite searches 24/7. It's brutal. This traditional deal sourcing, it's a bottleneck choking your potential. You're forced to act slow, reactive, stuck in outdated playbooks that no longer cut it. Now let's be real. Artificial intelligence isn't just some shiny gadget. It's a savage game changer that can rip through the noise and throw you deals you'd otherwise never see. But here's the key. If you think AI is going to replace you with an autopilot and magically close deals for you, you're dead wrong. AI isn't about skipping the hard part. It's about cutting your grind in half and sharpening your edge with data you can't process on your own. You want to know how? Listen closely. First, stop chasing every lead like a headless chicken. AI can analyze mountains of data across sectors, geographies, and tech trends faster than any human team ever could. Let it surface the rare gems that fit your exact criteria, the deals hiding in plain sight behind endless noise. Most founders and GPs waste time on broad searches and gut calls. That's amateur hour. Be ruthless. Build custom AI filters that detect signals where nobody's looking. The deal won't shout. It whispers through patterns AI can catch. Use those filters daily. This alone slashes wasted time by 70%. Second, don't just rely on cold algorithms. Pair AI insights with your network. AI gives you leads. You inject nuance, relationships, and judgment. Use AI-generated profiles to prep before you talk to a founder or LP. Go deep. Know what keeps them up at night and what metrics they hide under surface numbers. This combo locks deals down faster and with less risk. Trust no AI alone. Be smarter, not lazier. Third, automate the grunt follow-up. Emails, reminders, intro sequences. Get AI to do the heavy lifting here. But keep control. Personalize those touch points with real, human angles, informed by what AI uncovered. Push outreach relentlessly without burning yourself out. Every no isn't a failure. It's data to feed the system and try again smarter. Fourth, constantly train your AI. It's not set and forget. Feed it results, failures, market shifts. Make it learn who closes, who bails, who overrates. This feedback loop turns a passive tool into an extension of your brain. Forget this, and it's just a fancy spreadsheet. Last, but biggest. Embrace that AI isn't replacing you. It's amplifying your unique power, your instincts, your hustle, your boldness. Without that, AI spits out noise like a broken record. But when you lead the machine with relentless drive and smart process, you become unstoppable. The deals other founders see tomorrow, you see today. The connections others miss, you lock in. You break free from the endless cold grind and step into a new level of deal making. Fast, focused, fierce. So stop romanticizing the old hustle that's burning you out. Stop fearing AI as a threat. Own it as the tool it is, and watch your pipeline explode while your stress disappears. This isn't about replacing you, it's about unleashing you. Get ruthless with data, get tactical with follow-up, get obsessed with constant improvement. This is how the top founders and general partners win today. No excuses, no shortcuts, just smart, relentless, unbeatable work powered by tech that gets you closer to the deals that move the needle. If you want to keep spinning your wheels in outdated chaos, that's your call. But if you want to crush the noise, capture those hidden opportunities, and never waste another second on dead leads, this is your path. The future of deal sourcing isn't waiting. The question is, are you ready to lead, or are you happy being left behind? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.